Hello, once again I'm attempting the Nerdle puzzle for today, which, as a reminder, is simply a mathematical equation that you need to work out what it is. So the black numbers don't appear in the sum, so we've ruled out quite a lot to start with. Do we think this is going to be a plus or times or divide? Let's try plus. Let's see if we can make it exactly 100. Oh no, we obviously can't. That was silly. We run out of digits. So if we're going to get above 100, we need to use multiplication. We can't multiply by 3, because then we'd need to use the 2. So what can we use? It's going to have to be something with a 4 and something with a 4. But then we're not going to be able to use the 3. I might have to try some division instead. So that divided by that is 16. We're not going to be able to use the 3 there either, are we? Oh, we're going to use 36 divided by 4, that's 9. We're going to need to... obviously we can't put the equals here because that hasn't given us a 3-digit number. So the only other option is here, because it can't be here because it was red in the first one. So if we do put it here, we need to get smaller than 9, which probably means doing divide by 3. I'm not sure I like that. Let's try divide by 1. No, we can't, because we can't use a 9 as the answer. So I'm making a pig's ear of this one already, really, aren't I? How about we go back to the idea of using multiplication? 34 times 4, what would that be? 136? That uses all of the new digits apart from the 0, so I think that's maybe worth a shout. It's not multiplication. Okay, so the equals is going to go here. We're going to have a 1-digit answer. So we're almost certainly going to need to use some division. So I think it might have to start with 64 divided by something. But then the 4 isn't there. So if it's divided by 16, that's not going to work. Can't be divided by 8 or 2 because we don't have those numbers. So it might have to be something like 144 divided by 36. This is a strong possibility, I think. It's a very strong possibility because it's correct. So that's the Nerdle puzzle for today. 144 divided by 36 is indeed 4. So we got it in 3 guesses, which is my most common number of guesses. Kept up my 100% streak. I think it's pretty much impossible to lose this in 6 guesses as long as you think for long enough and only do guesses that are actually plausible. Because you can't end up in a rabbit hole like you do in Wordle where you've got everything apart from one letter, because here if you've got everything apart from one digit you can do the sum and work out exactly what that digit should be. So I think this is slightly easier, as long as you've got a little bit of mathematical aptitude. So that's the Nerdle puzzle for today. Let me know how you got on, and thank you for watching. Bye for now.